How to move items on Monday.com. Hey guys, welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move items on Monday.com. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to open up your Monday workspace and then you're going to select your respective board. Here I have different items and I want to move them. So for that, you will have to select the item or you can bulk select as well. Then you will find these three dots next to the item. Click on these three dots, click on move to, and now I can move these tasks and items to the top, to another group, and to another board. Let's click on move to top, and these items will be moved to the top, like so. Similarly, I can click on move to group, select the other group, and now the items will be moved. If you want to move an item from one board to another, then you're going to select the third option, which is move to board, and your items will be moved from one board to another. This is how we move items on Monday.com. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.